How are you, student? Well, okay. Now I'm going to talk about the जालियांवाला बाग मैसकर. स्टूडेंट्स, आप जानते हैं कि जालियांवाला की बाग की जो दुखद घटना है हमारे भारतीय इतिहास की एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण घटना है और इसके बारे में नई पीढ़ी को जानना बहुत ही आवश्यक है, जिससे पता चलता है कि अंग्रेज़ कितना क्रूर थे और हम लोगों को कितना सताए थे. इसलिए जालियांवाला बाग की घटना का विस्तृत वर्णन मैं करने जा रहा हूँ, जिसको आप लोग ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेंगे, जो आपको आगामी परीक्षाओं में बहुत ही उपयोगी सिद्ध होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, जालियांवाला बाग was one of the important event in the history of India. It occurred in 13th of April 1919 on the auspicious day of Vaishakhi. A peaceful meeting was held in Jallianwala Bagh against the arresting of two nationalist leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu. The Jallianwala Bagh had a narrow, only one exit and surrounded by the wall. And the outer side of the wall there were so many wells. The Jallianwala Bagh was surrounded by the troops of British government under the guidance of General O'Dwyer. The people were sitting in the meeting, not aware about that situation. They were totally engaged in peaceful meeting, and after a while General O'Dwyer ordered his troops to fire over unarmed and innocent people sitting in Jallianwala Bagh. In this incident, thousands of people were killed and many wounded, because it had only the one single exit. That was why people were not able to escape their lives, and in this incident many more were also killed. Now the whole country got stunned to hearing this brutal activity made by the British government. Now strikes were made, but British government adopted the repressive ideas and started beating and flogging the people. Now people were forced to rub their nose on the ground. They could not do anything against the armed troops of British government. My dear student, it is a tragedy in the history of the India. You all should aware about it. Without getting aware, you can't understand the past of the country. So that's all. Thanks.